Another week, another makeup tutorial. Scratch that. Hi everybody, welcome back. Another week, another makeup tutorial. Hope you guys had a great week. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe down below to Eileen's makeup looks. Follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram. I will be putting my usernames down below as well. Let's stay connected. This week I'm going to be using the James Charles eyeshadow palette, and we are going to be doing a orange eye makeup look. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, my brows. So like I've said in my other videos, I start with my eyebrows first, and then I go in with my eyeshadow and then everything else, just because I feel like it's easier to wipe out eyeshadow fallout underneath the eyes. So I brush my eyebrows, and then I start underlining them. And then I kind of just bring it out just a little bit, just so it could have like that that sharp end to it. So I go in with the line up here, and I just bring it down and connect it to that line or that sharp end that I did, and I start filling it in, going to the top, and I connect, and I just fill in where it's necessary. And now we're going to do the same thing to the other eyebrow. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to carve out underneath my eyebrows just a little bit on the top, and we're going to use concealer for that, and then I'm going to apply the concealer all over my lid. So now that I have applied the concealer, we're going to use a small Morphe blending sponge to pat it in. I'm going to carve out just a little bit on the top of my eyebrow. Okay, now with my powder, I'm going to set the concealer. So the first eyeshadow that we are going to go in with is going to be this shade right up here. And it is like a orangish reddish shade. I'm going to apply it all over my lids, and then we are going to go in with that orange shade. What I did first is I packed it in till it was the color that I wanted, just because it is a little bit on the lighter side, so I packed in the color as much as I needed to. And for the next shade, we are going to go in with this. We're going to go in with this orange shade right up here, and I'm going to blend the two colors out together. Okay, so now that both eyes are done, I am going to do a cut crease, well, a half cut crease. And since I do have hooded eyes, I am just gonna go a little bit above where my eye crease is. Okay, so now that I cut the crease, I am going to set it with a little bit of powder again. And then we are going to blend it in right here with the first shade that we used. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this skinny little brush, and I am going to use the Stila liquid eyeshadow glitter just so I could add a little pop of glitter. Okay, so I ended up putting the glitter on the majority of where I cut the crease just because I thought it looked a little bit better than the line. But for this look, you could do whatever you want, but I ended up just playing with it a little bit, and then I ended up putting it like on the majority part. So this is how it looks. I'm gonna go in with mascara now. I will be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Brag Mascara. But first, I need to curl my eyelashes, and we are going to do that right now. So curl, curl, curl. Okay, so now lashes. We are going to be using Ariabella Lashes, and this is in the style Emma. Okay, so now lashes are in. We are going to prime our face. I am going to be using the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer again, and I am going to be using the Makeup Forever Step 1 Smoothing Primer. And it is almost out, but these two are my favorite, and I'm gonna use them together today. Okay, so now is foundation time, and I am gonna be using the Urban Decay Stay Naked Weightless Foundation, and I am gonna be using 30NN, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so foundation is on now. Next step is concealer. I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just going to be applying it right here and over here. Okay, and now I'm going to put powder right on my concealer. I'm not going to put too much, and then I'm going to put powder all over my face. Actually, meanwhile I let that set, I am going to be contouring, and I'm going to use my contour stick by Wet n Wild in Oaks on You, and I will be using it right here. And up here. Here. Alright, so now I'm going to remove the powder from my face, and I'm going to apply powder all over my face. Alright, so next we are going to use blush, and I'm going to be using this Colourpop blush. I forgot what collection it comes in, but the shade is Juice Bar, and it's like this really pretty pink color. So next is highlight. I'm not going to be using a regular highlighter. I'm actually going to be using this shade up here in the James Charles palette. It is this one right here, and this is how it looks. Alright, and then I'm going to apply it to the tip of my nose. A little bit on the bridge, like that. And then to my Cupid's bow. And then up here. And on this side. Alright, so now that that is done, I'm going to smoke out underneath my eyes. I'm going to apply mascara on my bottom lashes. I don't forget about them. I just like to do them right after I do my face makeup, for the same reason that if I apply concealer, I won't be able to apply it how I want to if I already smoked out and put mascara on my bottom lashes. And yeah. Okay, so first color that we're going to go in with is the first shade that I used on my eyeshadow, and I'm gonna just put it right here, right underneath the waterline. And now for that next color, I'm going to use the orange shade just to diffuse it out. And then bottom lash mascara. Okay, now I'm going to line my lips with the LA Girl lip liner in the shade Nonstop Nude. And I'm using Juvia's Place lip gloss in the shade Sis. And lastly, we are going to use the Morphe setting spray. Okay, and this is the final look. Alright, so that actually concludes my video for today. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe down below. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let's stay connected. Follow me on Instagram or TikTok. Alright everybody, I will see you next time. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. Alright, see you guys.